Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the Roblox encountered an unexpected error message that's been stopping you from playing your favorite games. It's a super common issue, but don't worry. I'll walk you through the proven fixes step by step. So, if you want your Roblox running smoothly again, make sure to stick with me till the end. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, first up, let's talk about something called memory integrity. This feature in Windows helps protect your system, but for some reason, it often conflicts with Roblox and triggers that annoying error. Here's what you need to do. Close Roblox completely, then click on the Windows search bar and type Core Isolation. Open it and you'll see a toggle for memory integrity. Simply turn it off. Now, before you do that, keep in mind, disabling it slightly lowers system security. So make sure you have a good third-party antivirus installed, like AVG, Norton, or Bitdefender, just to stay safe. If the error still shows up, the problem might not be on your end. Roblox servers can sometimes go down. Go to status.roblox.com and check the server status. If everything is showing green and says all systems operational, then the issue is local, meaning it's something on your PC, not Roblox's servers. If everything seems fine, but the error continues, the next step is a clean reinstall. Go to Settings, open Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Roblox and uninstall every version you find, including Roblox Studio if it's there. Once uninstalled, head to the official Roblox website, download it again, and launch any experience to test. Most of the time, this completely clears up the issue. And that's it. Your Roblox should now be working perfectly without that frustrating unexpected error message. If this video helped you out, drop a like and leave a comment letting me know which method worked for you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy fix tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.